Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's Gifty Hair, and I am the gift to your hair. On this channel, I help you achieve the look that you have always envisioned. In this video, we're gonna talk technique. It's all about technique. I have many how to pluck videos on my channel. Definitely check it out. It will be linked in the bio or in the description box. This video is about the technique and placement on how to pluck. So to begin, I'm using a canvas head. I'm sitting down and I place the canvas head between my legs. One hand is positioned on the hair, like some of the hair that's forward, and then my opposite hand is laying down while my wrist is holding everything together. I'm doing all this to make sure I have control of the canvas head, to know if I pluck, my hair would not move, my head would not get out of place and look terrible. Placement is really important. The sitting motion that you're sitting in and how you're holding the canvas head is going to play a role in how your plucking comes out. So my advice to you is place the canvas head in between your leg. Make sure that one hand is holding the head properly while you pluck with the opposite hand. Now there's another way to pluck, another technique you can use to pluck your hair. This technique is to have the mannequin head, the canvas head, on a wig stand and have that firm to the ground. With this technique, you will be standing and using your right hand, placing that over the wig head, using your left hand to pull the lace forward so you can see what you're working with. Use your hands. Placement is important. Your right hand, depending on your dominant hand, is going to be folding over the wig, and then your recessive hand is going to be holding the lace into place. This first method of actually holding the canvas head between your legs and placing your hand on the actual canvas head, I prefer that way. It's super fast, it's beginner friendly, you have less mistakes. But those are two techniques that you can use for you to pluck seamlessly. How you hold the hair, the placement is really important. You want to use your dominant hand to keep the wig into place on the canvas head, either between your legs or on a wig stand, and you want to use your recessive hand to hold the hair into place or pull the lace forward. Okay, y'all, this was an easy technique tutorial on how to pluck. Check out my channel for more videos. I do upload daily. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, beautiful people.